got a new addition today at Westport Auto Center. This is a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe shop truck. Upgraded 6-liter LS2 motor, ice cold air, disc brakes, steering, 4-speed automatic. Just a cool shop truck. Got some patina on it. Just a cool old truck. Just a neat old truck. Newer wheels and tires. Obviously, we got a long bed. But there are a few little nicks, chips, scratches. There you go on the truck. Paint's a little faded here and there. It's got a little spray on line of beds from a while ago. Got some patina on the door handles, but it's a shop truck. Go with the paint, patina, chip, scratch, crack there. Parts of the paint are lighter and darker here and there, but still has a good shine, good reflection to it. Patina, little dried seals. There are a few little bubbles down here on the bottom of it. But yeah, little patina on the door handle. Just a cool truck though. You know, this isn't a $40,000 truck. Houndstooth interior, like I said, cold air. Sorry about that, I'm by myself today. We got the Terminator X programmable fuel injection system on it. Just a cool old truck, man. WestportAutoCenter.com. Please like, share the video, help us grow the channel. Click the bell icon, you'll get the latest videos that we have. Please leave your comments down below. Thoughts on the video or any videos you'd like us to shoot in the future. We'll do our best to accommodate, but just again, a super cool truck, something that's going to be priced in the mid-20s, pretty much affordable. So the door pad here's got a little one. They got them on back order. Not sure when we'd be able to get them in, but they're only $54. But take this bad boy for a spin. The oil pressure, gas gauge, battery and temperature. The speedometer is not working right now, but the lights, the blinker, AC blows cold. The radio is not working. So the radio and the speedometer are the only two things right now that aren't functioning correctly on the truck. Suburbs of St. Louis, about 25 to 30 minutes depending on traffic from the international airport. Want to fly in and look at any of our vehicles in our 3 warehouses full of vehicles, cars, trucks. Be more than happy to pick you up. Just call us for your flight itinerary. We'll be there to pick you up and bring you here to look at the vehicle you want to look at. Yeah, just a great truck. Don't have to worry about if a bug gets splattered on it or a little rock comes up and puts a little chipping the paint, touch it up, and a little more patina on the work truck. But great truck, great value, lots of cool options as far as the upgraded drivetrain, brakes. Make somebody a nice truck, something they could use if they wanted to every day. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. Have a great day.